Hello, everyone, and hello, Virgo. This is your general forecast for September 2024. Tignan natin ang energies for you this month. And marami sa inyo is birthday. Happy birthday, Virgos. And yeah, tignan natin ano yung mga energies nyo for this month, anong advice na gustong ibigay ng universe para sa iyo. Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, ang goal natin dito ay magbigay ng gabay using the light from above para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay, ito ang inyong reading for September 2024. Tignan natin ano nangyayari. Kamusta ang mga Virgos? Kamusta lahat? Um, okay, okay. Tignan natin, no? Alright. Um, Virgos, is there, ang dating dito sa akin, somebody may have offered you something in the past or maybe currently na parang ito yung parang pinupursue ng taong ito para sa iyo. There may be a new connection when it comes to love life, or there may be some kind of friend, or maybe somebody may pwede ding work ito na nagbibigay sa iyo ng parang kind of offer. Alright? Ito yung pinapakita rito. But at the same time, Virgos, hinahihirapan kang pumili. Kasi minsan, ang dumadating sa akin dito is minsan yung values mo, hindi mo sure kung paano mo, kung ano yung pipiliin mo. It may not have to be a kind of offer, but at the same time, nahihirapan kang mamili. May certain areas sa buhay mo ngayon na parang uh, sinusubukan kang maging decisive or somehow para mag-isip kung alin ba yung mas okay for you. Sinasabi dito sa akin na parang magiging challenging for you para maging mapumili ng choices kasi parang either way, it's either may hirapan ka or parang may magkakaroon ng konting issues. Alright? Parang hindi pasok sa values mo, hindi pasok sa inyong mga uh, gustong mangyari, ganyan. But then ito yung parang somehow nafe-feel mo na parang kailangan ko tong gawin. So alam mo yon, there is that kind of struggle within you for the month of September. Nakikita ko din that there is a big possibility na dahil sa mga iniisip ninyo, dahil sa mga kailangan gawin and other people around you, hindi lang naman ikaw there is conflict that is about to happen, and it may not have to be something that is super super sobrang away ganyan, hindi naman. Some of those could be some kind of competition or some kind of war na parang kailangan kailangan sila ang manalo, kailangan ikaw ang manalo. There is that na parang situation, no? So, ito yung mga kailangan mong makita, or baka kailangan mong pagdaanan, or baka kailangan mong harapin. Uh, there is something there, no? Na parang magbibigay sa'yo ng konting stress. So, ang advice sa'yo dito, Virgos, is to be the King of Wands. The King of Wands is telling you to be um, level-headed, to be more matured, um, to be to have that parang kontroladong emotion. Kumbaga hindi ka yung tipong sasabihin mo na lang kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin pagdating ng mga issues sa iyong buhay, because somehow nakikita ko din sa inyo na ito yung kailangan mong gawin kasi there are times na parang mabilis kang pumitik, mabilis kang magsabi na or magbitaw ng mga masasakit na sasabihin, or minsan may sinasabi ka na hindi mo alam that is actually offending. So, you have to think twice bago ka magsalita. You have to be more matured. Yun yung kailangan sa'yo, yun yung hinihintay, yun yung dapat mong gawin, because that is the only way for you to actually uh, be be able to overcome things na magiging maganda yung pakiramdam. Okay? Kasi parang labag din sa loob mo naman na magkaroon ng gulo eh. Now, that is something that for you to remember. If you can do that, people will respect you. Makikita ng mga tao na parang, wow, Hindi siya selfish, hindi siya yung puro puro ikaw lang lagi ang nasusunod, ganyan. You're actually considering yung madaming bagay. So that is something na nakikita ko rito na dapat na maganda para sa Virgo, no? So let's go and get your advice cards. If you resonated sa reading na to, please follow or subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel with others. This can be your small way of supporting this channel. All right. Okay, your first advice card, Virgo, is New Waxing Moon. Conception, Inner Self, Expansion. Anong ibig sabihin na to? The universe is actually asking you to be a new person, to be a better person. And how? To be more matured. New waxing moon, 'di ba? 'Di ba may nagpapalit-palit ng ang ang moon kung minsan full moon, minsan kung ano. That is something for you to think about. How can you be a better person? How can you expand yourself? How can be yourself mismo, ikaw mismo, paano mo titignan yung sarili mo? And look into yourself and think na ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Ano ba yung may mali ba akong nasabi? Ano ba ito? Is there anything that pwede mong magawa para maging better ikaw at ang mga tao around you? Okay? Kuha tayo ng next card. Alright. Next is intention. Intention is simply allowing the will and the mind to align and move in harmony. May I always focus on the highest. My intention is that all God's wishes for me come true. So, nire-remind ka ng universe, no, na which is one thing na talagang lagi kong pinapaalala dito sa Hula Juan na yung intention mo. Ano ba yung intention mo? Kasi it doesn't matter naman kasi kung nasa ang area ka ng buhay mo o nasa ang part ka na ng buhay mo or anong meron na nangyayari dyan sa paligid mo. But sa lahat ng ginagawa natin, sa lahat ng ginagawa ng tao, kailangan yung intention andoon. Maganda ba yung intention mo? Okay? Kailangan pantay or pareho yung in short, dapat maganda ang intention mo sa mga ginagawa mo. And that is when masusuportahan ka ng universe. Okay? Next card. Okay, this is your card. Have courage to ask for and accept help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, as is accepting it as it is offered to you. Very often, when you ask God for help, prayers are answered through other people. Be sure to accept this assistance as well as give it to others as you are guided. Ayan. Okay? So, wag ka daw matatakot na magtanong. Alam mo, ang sinasabi dito, di ba, accept help. Pero ang pumapasok sa akin is magtanong. So, there may be some situations na maybe kailangan mo ng advice from other people. Ang nakikita ko dito is somebody as your close friend. Ang pinapakita sa akin is kapatid. There's nothing wrong kung mag-a-ask ka ng tulong. Minsan kasi pagka-feeling mo, hindi ka naman sanay na ganito ka, ganyan. Minsan yung ego andun eh. Minsan, 'di ba, parang may yabang ng konti na parang ayoko nga magtanong, baka isipin nila ganyan ganyan. But walang masama sa pag-ask. And ang nakikita ko rito, subukan mo lang, Virgo, subukan mo 'to. Magtanong ka lang kahit hindi ka sanay, tanungin mo lang ano yung tingin ninyo. And see kung ano ang sasabihin sa inyo ng pinagtanungan ninyo. And comment down below kung ano yung mangyayari. Okay, Virgos? Ayan. Yan ang forecast ninyo, guys. Don't forget. And happy birthday. Happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Shout out kay Miss Betty Go na laging nakikinig. And happy birthday sa'yo. And thank you for watching. And Ayan, yan ang forecast niyo guys. Don't forget to follow or subscribe and always remember sa lahat ng gagawin niyong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang inyong intensyon. See you sa next reading.